risk on the track, bitch.
I'm riding, I'm sipping, I'm ducking and dipping, I'm thriving and wildin', I'm young and I'm getting it. Gliding and minding my motherfucking business. Surviving and driving, I've always been with it. It's not a race and how is it we win? I'm chillin' with Rizoe, we up from the trenches. Everyone up in the city been spitting. I'm nothing like you though, I'm one in a million. Einstein was living, he said that I'm brilliant. Never had no resilience, shit you only heard about. I done lived and stuck with these baddies like my name is Gilligan. I need that money like yes, need that Ritalin. I don't got time for your shit, I'm no minute. No haters, they want it like how dirty did it. Shit, only thing I know, all I know is it. I'ma indulge in debauchery. Find a little baddie to come get some time to me. Maybe put some of that wop on me. Couple of lines of the Miley Cyrus, now it's nothing that's stopping me. Aiming a wrecking ball to all who doubted me. It's just winter surrounding me. Laugh at the clown, so it always been clowning me. Idiot, it ain't no rivalry. It ain't no rivalry. Idiot, it ain't no rivalry. Idiot, I'ma indulge in debauchery. It ain't no rivalry. Idiot, it ain't no rivalry. I'ma indulge in debauchery. I'm grinding, I'm sinning, I'm dumb and I'm ignorant. Ain't blending for shit, I'm disgusting, belligerent. Hungry like I know this shit isn't imminent. Quit all that bitchin', we up, we been winning. Shit getting silly, the earth keep on spinning. I'm spitting bout yayo like I'm really sniffing it. Drip when I'm dipping, I stay coming with it. You chasing after your ex like you jelly. Back in the day, I wanted to demolish y'all. Now I'm like, man, what the hell y'all gon' on about? I've been all in love with no rank and shallow ball. Tryna marry a baddie, a comic con. Speeding and swerving through shit like the Autobahn. Came with the knowledge like holocrons. I'm Beamer, you Nepter, I promise you. We don't got nothing in common. I'ma indulge in debauchery. Find a little baddie to come get some time to me. Maybe put some of that wop on me. Couple of lines of the Miley Cyrus, now it's nothing that's stopping me. Aiming a wrecking ball to all who doubted me. It's just winter surrounding me. Laugh at the clown, so it always been clowning me. Idiot, it ain't no rivalry.